Today, let's talk about something very simple, something bright, something many people already use every day, the lemon. Not as a detox trend, not as a quick fix, but as a natural fruit that supports the body in calm, practical ways. Lemons are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin plays an important role in supporting the immune system and helping the body manage daily stress. Rather than forcing change, vitamin C supports the systems that already exist inside the body. Lemons also help stimulate digestion. The natural acidity of lemon juice can gently encourage the production of digestive enzymes. This may help the body break down food more efficiently, especially when lemon is consumed in small amounts. One of the most popular ways people use lemon is in warm water in the morning. This simple habit can help support hydration after a long night without overwhelming the system. Lemons are also low in sugar. This makes them a gentle choice for people who want flavor without sharp blood sugar spikes. There is something important about the simplicity of lemons. They require no preparation, no complicated routines, just a small slice, a little juice, used consistently. In the next part, we'll explore how lemons support metabolism, skin health, and daily balance when used mindfully. In the first part, we talked about lemon as a simple source of vitamin C and digestive support. Now, let's look deeper at how lemons support balance inside the body over time. One quiet benefit of lemon is its role in supporting metabolism. Proper hydration, combined with gentle digestive stimulation, can help the body process nutrients more efficiently. This does not mean weight loss overnight. It means supporting balance consistently and naturally. Lemons also contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by lifestyle and environmental factors. Over time, this support may contribute to healthier-looking skin and a more refreshed appearance. Another benefit of lemons is their effect on appetite awareness. The fresh acidic taste can help people feel satisfied with simpler meals. This can reduce unnecessary snacking, not through restriction, but through awareness. Lemons are also commonly associated with clarity and freshness. For many people, the scent and taste of lemon can feel energizing without being overstimulating. This makes lemon a gentle option for mornings and midday routines. But like all natural foods, moderation matters. Too much lemon can be harsh on the teeth or stomach. The strength of lemon lies in small, regular use. When included as part of a balanced lifestyle, lemon becomes more than a fruit. It becomes a quiet daily habit, one that supports the body gently, without pressure and without extremes. Sometimes the simplest choices create the most lasting balance.